Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning handling input and output. In today's class, we will learn about special characters in Java. Before we know what a special character is, I want to tell you why we need to use a special character. So let me give you some background. If you remember, the way we print a message on the screen using print command is this. We say system dot out library package class dot print, and let's say we print hello. What does this really do on the screen? It prints hello and cursor actually waits here. If you give another print command, to save time I'm just writing it here. Let's say I write hello world. It will print world immediately after this, and again cursor will wait here because print command prints and wait at the cursor waits at the last character. Similarly, if you use system.out.print line, then it prints the message and cursor goes to the next line. So we'll say system.out.print line ln, and then we say hello. What really happens this time? It prints hello on the screen on the monitor, and cursor goes to the next line and it waits here because we are saying print on a line, and then next print message will start here. That's the major difference. Now, can we tell Java to print and go to the next line automatically without using print line? Can we do that within the print statement itself? And answer is yes. Java achieves that by using a special character called \n. The \n is escape character. When I say escape character, that means don't treat n as regular character n. Treat this as a special character. So \n is for new line character. Is called new line character. Similarly, \t is referred as tab character. You see how on your keyboard you have enter key. When you hit enter key, cursor goes to the next line. But Java can't use keyboard. That's for us humans. So Java provides an option where you want Java to go to the next line in the output itself. Then you can use \n. Similarly, on the keyboard we have tab character. You hit tab and you shift by more or less 4 spaces. It depends on how you configure the tab. So this is tab. So if you hit tab, you will start typing here. Same thing you can achieve in Java by using \t. \t will shift the cursor by a tab. And let's see it in action. When we say here, in this example, when we say system.out.print, this is my first line, period, and then we insert \n. If you notice, even though we are using print command here, not print line, it will print on 2 separate lines because after printing this is my first line here, it goes to the \n, cursor comes here and then prints remaining this is my second line on the next line here. That's the beauty of \n. You're telling Java to print, insert a new line as good as hitting enter key here and then start printing again. This is my second line. Now in a similar fashion, we can use the same tab character. If you see, it says system.out.print jack \t John. The way it will print is it will print Jack and then hit a tab and it will print John here. Right? Similarly, it will print in the next line. If you look at it, after printing here, we are gonna print again Smita, and then it will print on the next line Smita, and then hit a tab and it will print Marina. That's how the tab works. Now, using a combination of tab and new line, you can really format. You can literally write a good, application. Like we write to our, if you remember old school days, we write application to our principal and say, hey, I'm not going to attend, school today for some reason. You say, you write to principal, go to the next line, hit a tab, you write something, go to the next line, hit a tab, and you can do all this formatting with a combination of new line and tab. That is the whole purpose of using it, is to format your output string. There are many other ways to do that too, but you should know the new line characters and as well as tab characters. And there are some other special characters too. I have not covered everything in this, but the idea is to give you enough, show you the most important ones and enough background so that you can explore more. With that, thank you very much for your time. Go ahead and solve the quiz. Take your time and practice. As I always repeat, practice is the only way to learn coding. So practice, practice, and practice. See you guys again.